Learning about freelancing is important for a number of reasons, including professional and personal benefits. Here are some key points. Professional benefits: work-life balance. Freelancers can often set their own schedule, allowing for a better balance between work and personal life. Freedom of location. Freelancers can work from anywhere, giving them the freedom to travel or live in different locations without being tied to an office. Job variety. Freelancers can work on a wide range of projects across different industries, which can be more stimulating and rewarding than a single full-time job. Skill development. Freelancing often requires constant learning and adaptation, which helps individuals develop a broad skill set. Earning potential. Freelancers have the potential to earn more than traditional employees, especially if they have specialized skills and can handle multiple clients. Multiple streams of income. Freelancers can take on multiple clients and projects by diversifying their sources of income. Decision-making. Freelancers have more control over the projects they take on and the clients they work with, which can lead to greater job satisfaction. Creative freedom. Freelancers often have more freedom to be creative and innovative in their work. Time management. Freelancing requires strong organizational skills, which can increase personal productivity and time management abilities. Self-motivation. Freelancers must be self-driven, which can instill a sense of personal accomplishment and growth. Gig economy growth. As the gig economy expands, more companies are looking to hire freelancers for specific tasks, making freelancing a viable and sometimes preferred employment option. Economic resilience. Freelancers may be able to adapt to economic changes or downturns by having multiple sources of income and the ability to quickly move on to new opportunities.